Today in this video, we will tell you why is Dogecoin going up, and can Dogecoin reach $100? Let's move into the video. Over the past month, Dogecoin has been trending a lot. The Dogecoin price has skyrocketed from 5 cents to an all-time high of 70 cents a couple of days back. However, more recently, Dogecoin dropped back to 51 cents after the all-time high rally, and then again shot back up to 61 cents. With such an explosive return on investments, people are looking to make profits through investing. Why is Dogecoin going up? Dogecoin is a crypto that was originally formed in 2013. Doge was built to be a friendly introduction to the concept of cryptocurrency for the general public layman, and had a fun and friendly brand image behind it. The face of Doge was the dog Shiba Inu, who became popular as the Doge meme. It literally became a meme cryptocurrency. Nobody in the early years believed Doge would become as valuable as it is today. However, Dogecoin has grown in popularity because of the communities surrounding it. Dogecoin has an almost cult-like status in the crypto world. Popular celebrities like Elon Musk also supported and joked around about Dogecoin. More than anything, Doge helped to spread awareness about the value and importance of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency among millions of people worldwide. Today Dogecoin has become one of the most popular crypto. Over the past couple of days on May 3rd and May 4th, the price of Doge has gone up from 37 cents to 44 cents, which is an 18% increase in price in just 2 days. The main reason behind this is the fact that Elon Musk is going to be hosting SNL soon. He has mentioned in one of the tweets that he might bring up Dogecoin on the show. People are buying up Dogecoin in anticipation of the May 8th SNL show with Elon Musk, hoping he'll talk about Doge and pump up the price. But, can Dogecoin reach $100? With such a rapid rise in prices, many people have started to wonder if Dogecoin will ever reach $100 in value. However, there are a ton of this to consider when thinking about the price of Doge. First, it's an inflationary coin, meaning it has an endless supply and billions of coins are minted each year. So, as the demand increases, the supply also increases, which will bring down the prices in long term. Moreover, Dogecoin wasn't made with a purpose, unlike coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, it's just a joke currency, and putting all your money into a currency made as a joke can be risky. There are more than $130 billion minted to date, and if the price is $100, that would make the market cap of Doge $13 trillion, which is more than the GDP of even the most developed countries. So, highly unlikely Doge will ever reach $100. However, it's a possibility for Doge to reach $10, and even more. $100 would be a very long-term wait and investment to take into consideration. Stay tuned for more updates on Doge and crypto. Consider to subscribe and like this video. There's a high probability that Dogecoin will reach $1 per coin. $10 per Dogecoin is also likely within this decade. However, it's impossible that Dogecoin will ever get to $100 per coin. Let's explain. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin doesn't have a cap. In order to keep the network secure and operational, there's always an incentive of 5 billion coins per year for miners. By the end of 2030, there will be 180 billion Dogecoin in circulation. If Dogecoin reaches $1 valuation per token, the total market cap of Doge would be $180 billion. It's not that crazy high. There are currently around 18 million bitcoins in circulation, and it has a market cap of about $900 billion. The second largest crypto, Ethereum, has a market cap of $200 billion. Similar to Dogecoin, Ethereum also doesn't have a coin cap. Over the years, Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown its strengths and weaknesses. Nowadays, Bitcoin is considered as an asset, an investment vehicle to grow money. Therefore, people now buy Bitcoin and hold on to it. The transaction cost of Bitcoin is rising steadily. It's already prohibitively high enough to be useful for daily retail transactions. Ethereum's transaction fees are also high. On the other hand, Dogecoin has promisingly low transaction fees. Moreover, as there are 5 billion coins per year for miners, the Dogecoin transfer fee will remain low. Furthermore, Dogecoin transfer time is 10x faster than Bitcoin. So, there's the tremendous growth potential for this coin. A market cap of $180 billion is not impossible. Therefore, $1 per Dogecoin is not a pipe dream. However, $100 per Dogecoin is quite unachievable. Let's explain. The US has a GDP of around $21 trillion, and China has approximately $15 trillion. If we sum up all the countries' GDP, the total GDP would be $87 trillion. For each dollar increase in Dogecoin price, the market cap would need to rise $180 billion. So, for $100 per Dogecoin, the total market cap of Doge would be more than $18 trillion, greater than China's economy and almost equal to the US economy. It's absurd. Many people don't trust the US government. As Treasury printing money, the government adding debt recklessly, and inflation soaring, many are dissatisfied. They want a financial system that is independent of any government control. That's why over the years, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies became popular. Still, the regular currency has superior use cases and functionality than cryptocurrency. Wider acceptance, faster and easier transfer are a few of them. Our whole economy revolves around traditional money. On the contrary, cryptocurrency is still in its infancy. Only a few people know about it, and it isn't widely accepted. Cryptocurrency is also highly volatile. Nevertheless, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have shown great potential. But still, it's not enough to replace the US dollar. There are hundreds of cryptocurrency. Every coin has pros and cons. Therefore, it's tough to predict which one will become mainstream cryptocurrency. Even if single crypto becomes the world's de facto crypto still, there's no possibility that Dogecoin will ever become more valuable than China's whole GDP. It doesn't make any sense. Therefore, Dogecoin will never reach $100 per coin. However, from our experience with Bitcoin and Ethereum, we expect that Dogecoin will reach $1 because it has far more potential than Bitcoin. Even Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk believes that Dogecoin is underestimated. Elon Musk is the founder of X.com, which later became PayPal. Therefore, he knows what he is talking about. There's a high probability that